Welcome back to my Keto Kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I have a really easy dessert. It's the holiday time of year and there are guests coming over, and this is a really easy dessert that you can make and people are going to think you are amazing. But it's great even if it's just your immediate family and you want something for dessert, something special. We're doing a chocolate mousse and it's very easy to do. I have the bowl and the beaters in the refrigerator because you want them to be nice and cold because you're going to be whipping up heavy cream. So you're going to start with a half a cup of heavy cream, which is 4 ounces and about 125 milliliters. And you're going to put that in the bowl. To that, you're going to add, if you're using sugar, you can use like a tablespoon of powdered sugar. I am going to be using stevia. So you also want 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. That's more. That's my own vanilla. And a little bit of stevia. And I'm going to use French vanilla stevia. Not too much. I don't like it very sweet. So just a few drops. And a pinch of salt. And you're going to say, a pinch of salt? Yes, a pinch of salt, because salt brings out the flavor in a lot of things. So we're going to whip this up. It's very easy to make your own whipped cream. So to that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I like Valrhona cocoa powder. I have a link to it. I buy it on Amazon. It's so nice and dark and rich. And we're going to continue to beat this till the cocoa is all incorporated. Well, that is so thick and rich. If you wanted to whip up some more cream, you could add a dollop of whipped cream on top of this. And now, I'll taste it. This is so good. It's so light and refreshing. It's great after any meal. You'll love it. And easy.